Every event of this party, we do recognize.
Submit nomination form. My school. Alhamdulillah.
My God and my Father, you will back us up.
Our National Organizing Secretary, it is with great honor and privilege that we are coming back with the form we collected on the 17th of March 2022. They have been duly signed, complied with all the terms and conditions, and I believe that when you go through them now, you'll be able to certify that they are in complete order. Sir, these are all the documents with the accompanying attachments. The first letter is addressed to the National Chairman. You have the expression of interest form, and you also have there the nomination form, tax clearances, certificates, including the newly acquired Masters of Arts from the United Kingdom.
Anywhere there are no information, please cross them out. Same thing. Anywhere there are no information. Anywhere there are no information. This is presidential return form, sir. When you are done. Just finish that. Okay, please. Yes, sir. You can use more than one line, it doesn't matter.
Because election is a process. This is the pre-primary process, and we must go through this, certify that before we can say that this aspirant is ready for the primary.
PDP. Good afternoon, all. I stand on existing protocol. While it's my pleasure, and I feel very delighted that the Wazir Adamawa, who first picked this form, is the first person to return his form. So I await High Chief to present the form to me, while whatever the documentations will be done afterwards. The form has been cross-checked and certified to have met all the documentation. I hereby hand over the acknowledged copy for your own records. And this form that will be returned on screening is a formation that if you remain in our party, whatever position he has held in the party. We do this for the purpose of those who are hoping to decamp after being elected from PDP. We introduce this particular documentation for us to hold our members who have been elected under the party. So it goes to every aspirant of our party. So this form I expect it during the screening. Thank you, sir.
PDP! Power to the...
Block him, come here, block him. You can, hey!
Where's your phone? Before the documents were accepted by the People's Democratic Party, obviously all the documents were present there. So we don't have any fear about any screening. We are ready to move ahead.
So are you also ready for the consensus arrangement that other contenders are talking?
By the special grace of God, when we get to the river, we shall cross it.
Internally, the PDP had some internal issues to sort out. What is your view right now among the party when it comes to the presidential submission form from all the members of the PDP?
I am not aware of any problems in the internal problems in the People's Democratic Party. Maybe you wish to enlighten me. No crisis whatsoever. It is one big family. We shall all be together as brothers and sisters.
Last question from me. If the zoning does not favor your aspirant, will you accept it?
Definitely, we have nothing against whatever the party decides, but the zoning will never be against us.
Anybody else? No. Said next.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.